Okay, so we continue with part 2 here of the modeling process. So last time where we left off was really the basic blocking of the dinosaur here, mainly the body. So what we're going to start to think about is probably getting to modeling the legs. It might be tempting to extrude this face, but I think this one works better in our case here. So what we do is we're going to edit mesh, extrude. I'm going to hit W for the regular manipulator, pressing E to rotate this. Hopefully it's not too difficult to see. Now pressing G to extrude. G one more time to extrude. Now pressing W just to grab that down. I'm making sure that on the side view it matches. Of course, we're going to continue to shape after we do this. So I hit G one more time to extrude. And G one last time. Now what G does is it loads the last tool that you used. In this case, we were using the extrude, so that's why G extrudes in this case. So we have the basic leg here, so that's probably when we're going to get to shaping it. If we go into edge mode, maybe here in the side view, we can start doing some adjustments here so that it matches with the image that we're using. Now, of course, we have some limited geometry here, so that all we're doing is getting the really basic blocking of the leg. So what we're doing is just some simple shaping. Let's go into a perspective view so that we grab this edge, move it out and up, grab this edge, move it in, this one as well. Some really basic shaping for now. But it's good to start shaping in the earlier stages, just so that you get the basic blocking of the shape that we want. Okay? So just grabbing some edges and maybe moving them one at a time, it helps, especially at this stage where we have limited geometry. Just grabbing one at a time to create that shape is useful. It's really useful. Let me insert an edge loop. Go to edit mesh, insert edge loop, just so that we have more geometry to continue to shape. Now go here in the side view so that we can match that to the image. Back to the perspective. It's probably time to get the other leg going. So we're going to select this face. Let me do some slight shaping before we get the leg. Really slightly, some changes here. I'm actually going to grab these faces, and maybe this is going to be the tail, where the tail starts. I'm going to press G to insert the edge loop. Maybe here. Now do some shaping. It's always good to work with all the views that you have available to you in Maya. In this case, I'm working mainly with the perspective. At the same time, I'm working with the side view so that I know how everything's shaping. Okay, let's go back into our perspective view here. So let's get into extruding the back legs. So what we do is, once again, we go to Edit Mesh, Extrude. I'm going to press the W. And I'm going to rotate that, pressing E to rotate. Before I continue, I'm going to do some minor shaping up here. Just some really minor adjustments before I continue with the leg. If you have problems seeing the manipulator in the side view, if you select this thing, you move it to the side. So now when you're working with the side view, you can see the manipulator. Sometimes that helps in order to see it in the side view. Okay, so let's continue and extrude the rest of the leg. So press G, pressing W, G one more time, bring that down, one last time G, and now let's do some minor adjustments to fit the image. Okay, let's go into our side view here so that we have more screen space. Okay, some adjustments probably here, so we can actually see the other leg in the background there. Okay. Keep looking at that image that you have there in the side, just to make sure. Grab this edge. Making sure that the model is well built. Just continue to shape. Sometimes working at the vertex level can also be helpful. So at this point we still have a basic blocking of the dinosaur here. So we're going to stop here for now, and we're going to continue next time, probably the neck and the tail and some more shaping. Okay, we'll continue next tutorial.